Be a when it jekuya yo ho. Anope macha baby a butu bia so wo amanone either sa America na so wo London. Good morning. Sorry man so ojo machi ho nyina so no PR. Omo nyina so chia okwanso nko so se onkoye no o manhu de ofa so a de koye ba oba no so no wanda wa ti wa ba to omo so e wa no sei na menchia miamia osmosis menyane ntia se so ntia po osmosis. I wish you a speedy recovery. Onyame sanfa mekan ho na yentoa ejuma edi boa oman Ghana eho. Again, the conversation about taxes on pad. Adia yenua man di CC won ho no. SC yifi on san komo so no. Eguso, but quickly I want to remind stakeholders in this industry. What can homes make a driver for, car owners, station masters, a passenger for, a post for, National Road Safety Authority. Collectively, we really need to improve the game because they be adameka yen fa way wo man Ghana mu no yen kwana enkwanhia na ewu a itimisi ano kwan no bibia da ye nhwe han mani CV na afa de akoma nyame se onyame na de ma onyame na age. It's very painful, and it's very painful. Agronya nkendi wachi a ye kan say de abaka se ye bese ano keke wonti ase ba e kan oni padua na hu sampa na menim ni se de moje di afusa na e wo bia mu no sa na nti abusuan nyina me mo yakọ na hu se nimnyamfo Alexander Afenyo Markin watchro krata e wo share abusuan nyina yakọ kesepa. I'll read out that for you, but me kai obiem so say ene ana a potential flag bearer and the president of the land, our MPP Yera Alan Kwadwo Chirematin efia omode man say edru so onyame ya adoma ene ana obetimi akofa ono so nkrata nti migidi se Yera ba omi akofa nti Yera Alan Kwadwo Chirematin edru so dodo na chirem se edru so enen due na obekwa akofa eye ne nkrata nti monhye ne so na de sefata bia no monso monye agudie na nkasa de ebre ne beya na eben nti ho na ebehu se we si ha edua bia si bre bedi kan de ato anim se ntokwa kese a eye abusuan ntokwa eba apre na abeto ho no edi nti eye gina kira eye ka bi ne se onipa obeye kandifo ama ese ye hu NDC ti ye MPP de enso saa ekuo mienu we no emu nipa baako na beba be Ghana kandifo ti se oka se what na se ahwe han na wonka bidia wa na wo ye ho nti in the MPP the first three potentials ona can enter in change, but in the MPP the first three potentials no they be ada me ba me catch me obia won bia no MPP fo ani so ye Ghana fo bi so ye ani so ba wo hwa kan si na ekoso na the first three potentials no mo kusia kan yi amana yere ba we MPP no era Kennedy Japan era Alan Kwadwo Chirematin ana era Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nti breno bea na eben ene se de era Kwadwo Alan Chirematin kofa no eno adamaka cho se Dr. Bawumia kofa ehwe ni se nyamfo Kennedy akompre konso kofa wona aka no so afafa adai ni mu afa era eja afa era preku afa onu gusu afafa ye be so ni omoso onse yo omo hihye mu no omo so omo wo bibi on friend special delegates no ti wonu be so ni omo so ye so ni so ba ka nipa enum no ana ye beto so aba nipa enum me say dike room dada Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Alan Kwadwo Chirematin Kennedy akompre ko Japan nti mienu na aka no ana ye hwese se be adai ni mu apreku jogati ejako akoto afri ana free akoto ana se hwan ana be sa kwabneje Japan ana be kwakọ kansa miensa na already omawuram bibia di adanse se omo awuram dada. And it's going to be interesting. So anybody actually anopa wie ebra Alan Kwadwo Chirematin so ekofa eye ne krata na quickly Ghana waterfall nyina nano Daminia Stanley Martin di na order mentimi kra an wo hye no so it's a belated one by na de Efua Bediako or Ghana Water Company Limited. Efua Bediako, a very good friend. If I make cake, I would do, no one as I am, mammy. And Efua, and they would do birthday. Age in the audience is, but who knows, but when you know the bed 21, never man. Until Efua Bediako, once you are not telling us your age, Efua Bediako, a happy birthday. What's Westland and I more Ghana Water Company Limited. Well, Erica Jamie, who but this one I need to check. It's circulating all over. I need to check this one, this memorandum and sign. But my name is Honorable Collins Adomako. My name is so I see if Electoral Commission won't be. I'm not yet verified. The production team needs to verify for me. Oh.
Yes, but it's good to say about verification because
it's difficult
because the email now a work letter anymore. It's a Gmail.
Yeah,
which is quite funny.
So I just really don't want to entertain
because normally no officially you see say gov.gh something.
Yes, Mohamodia Benya inclusive meaning also you want to understand what the Electoral Commission wants to do, but it's too early. We are doing the checks so that we can say ampa if you want to buy a botaya attaching. Very careful as we count down to election 2024. Some of these misreports and then misrepresentations and all those things, like apps are continue a body in a witty abisunia in Sambia to a chase as soon as you are not bentin say we have to be very careful, very vigilant, diligent, and tactful. Yes, sir. The countdown, it's only in this part of the world. When Aba to Obaswa, we try to destroy all what we have built just to ensure that we'll maintain or we'll have to take over power. Are you serious? You stand at risk. With our so-called trusted friends. Because the people are any more people will engage them, to record them, to take pictures, to do a lot of things against us just to cause shame. Okrowe munkwana oko ofife kosra. Enipa bopo se one person omugu animase. Ekrowe munkwana. Se wono obada ben. Nti wono peja omukosro no na eyobi nso 24-hour prayer. So be hwihwan wo na do asifom. So we need to be very careful of in times like this. And all the times, because we are a student of the Bible, we are definitely not in normal times. So we really need to be careful. CID, Manso DC na yemisa. O mama die. Many ba musnes or no. Let say o mama die. Etiro kusepa echira mba wa page na munse wa she wo friend munyampa. Baby of baby house no. Onyame mfa ne kransi na bibia eboko Constituency
onyame adom bibia eboko
okay
so far so good say the okay the presidential elections in the Ehitia
and Alan Chemantin fine
yes Dr. Mahmoud Bamia Fanra and era Chemantin fine.
It's going to be interesting,
very very interesting.
We still have to trust delegates that they will do as
no MPP for the MPP delegate don't make mistake that. They are always on point.
I see.
They're always on point.
Charles Obin Amwafo, Global Arena of Liberty Ministry, Bogoso, also of paying Yachiao. What is so encouraging? And it's a baby and also was staff of Manon Mumpai. We are a Patakesian as nice Adom TV. Bogoso, Edamasipa, Sebosumo boy was acquired. So, Mamma Kwaba, we have been together in this fight. And then the castle over home make a crave will be two sal one among. Timim Cosa Sal to Qualibium. Is it baby or no? Maybe at Mamma Question or be take your muscle with Sal, be Yejuma. It's a cardinal sin. A Fishapana Kwaba, so do Yamitimiano. And it's Yamaka say, Woni Brimuno. In his time, he makes all things beautiful. So this is the appointed and appropriate timer. Unyamede share with me. But na me ne wako ni pano. They be ada na tete ne ha. Oh, ade enko ade de bone. Ade en ba unyame share no ni munyam. Tie da nyame ase. Die hia ne se nipa okosere omutumi se o de nsachiraye beba o mabrabo mu ne bia wo no wo obehwe ne wadi sa adwuma no na wankoye mrahye bedwani a ene ye hwehwe okora na ehu akira kwan e automatic onyame nkoa na betima sesa no bebia du no ye member of parliament in waiting aji nyame na besesa no ba onyame abie pon so de wan pa na betima to sa pon no that's what you have to do onyame abie ni sei no me ma beti swa the congratulations
me na me da se
I see. One upon what I did, Mount NDC, I sent to Genesis economy.
Clerk Adom.
Hey, Bauni and Opama, dear Power.
Adom say Clerk Fashions.
Oh, well, I have
and free Spinters Road. Now far under bridge now called East Legon Police Station. I say Adom be war.
Adom be war or top.
Wow.
The friend is saying
Clerk Fashions.
I have friend who run my show with that friend business call. Oh, you know the excitement between many Dominic and Ubino. You ain't me express now for your boy. On say oh share at the end anymore. Why I say open back. Na emba na chese nyamia mouth dash up. I feel when you generally be done it is you know. So I pray that you live up to expectation because our constituency they've really told you say we knew and saw what you were doing, even when you were not with us. So they've established it, they've endorsed it. So I remember the name of the constituency. But I come over.
Come right, yeah, better say bebre. Na ya chieti for nyina, rehwe for nyina. Maybe fi a check akra.
Papa.
Me to go now sa adwuma na Collins. Ese na me na Collins na Olego.
Me da no mo kan, no keeper and footballer.
No university, no university get team captain. But
I did the only way I'm not coming to the World Cup. Maybe you are destined to take the World Cup.
I'm your referee. You are
the referee. He was our referee.
One man referee in front of Ghana. And then also a job.
Captain. Many common team.
Yeah,
I'm your captain.
And then you know
that's true.
Now we go only Frank Amankwa no. Obo kosi sia.
But I don't know about midfield, right?
Yeah, you know. He does say Frank Amankwa and I say Bakuya na ni 3 year full ceremony Ali gen dem ref mekai. Frank Amankwa hey, the more the Ghana wo. You should have served in that capacity.
We are coming to serve in other capacity. And you come out, you better obiase. Na mo bom pilot amunu echi. Na mo ye nyina won chanchen ne buaye. Na mafa kwenya we na ma tiasa fo nyinara. I'm pass the place has been neglected all these years. Almost 8 years near Menoka say. Sebi ye ni member of parliament to ho. Afina accredit this assembly de amaye. Oko druwa even omo come off and grass on call. And the Juma and Commonia Honyanano, Sebi Enco. Ya quine ya de Haji Mebri, Uko drew Lipe Mate, now Fred Bozome, a go Pie Lolobi Kumanse, a quambi da Wanka, quine very, very short, but come right any more trouble. That now Fred Bozome Kofa, Lipe Kofrodia, a qua branny, a quine yan. Now every a branny, a cockran to me. Menia, terrible. And see, a Juma can say, oh, why a bay, and so as a major problem. Before election, I may Shazanka, may ye bohos maybe, may about 6, may about 10. Now you mechanize it in rear. And see, if I also be boy minister, now if I go so from call it for Scabra, because soon any pa.
That's the relevance of being an MP.
Of
Your
course,
network of friends.
Of course, friends, of course. Why? There'll be a mechanic say. Sabe was come back me and your money na. Anke unya say be the MP kranka ban be ni na. Ente be nya say you be leverage on our network near our friends na you nyina na ye dey boy enkrofo. As I said, obi o ra we you know the Fred. But na me ma son 2 trips bi. Na fa ko file agbozume kwan na meda na se. Obi say bia so now ye no ma me so mebu na ye one borehole meda na se. Enkrofo mu nyanya bebre. Okodru most of our schools even furniture collaborate na se kra a problem because todo me kola furniture ne ho me ko akpa from me passing school e bi ndio Sandro Kofi. There are a lot of problems in the constituency here. E bi answer yen solve. Me no ka say area ho ekwadwuma pa na ye na say bi ekwadwuma na nshada enko enim de we a ebe hia and even though be so ye kwe ni kra no ne nefu kra ti mi fidi ono let alone so benya bia ko ton ne ka honyina enti be se adofo na aboafo nyina be boaye na yentimi empeja ye microphone de bia me ka se enye da tumi ne ka na ye prese ye pe ho na ye wo me ho na ye tetimi ho na menyi enti ne ho nyina bia minim enye afi no bi be kire me se Fred we ne hia ma me no ma na papa no ma na onua no minim nyina edwuma se me ye ko so nyina enti emwa na ye be stre se ye be nya mwa na ye so etimi de akọ na yakọ dane asetinam enti makanesa no ntia kese na be ma mpenifo nyina because we chairman comrade Komevi and me vice chairman and me campaign manager comrade Matthias me papa ba ko pe na ono so ohwa oboy pa comrade Elliot akotoche and me campaign team nyina sister Enyonam man ni na ka ho nyina omodo so be bremi bin bo mo nyina di Beatrice ni na ka ho nyina sister Ivy ogbe mo nyina okwa obimpe omo assemblyman Adom Philip asemo Badwam ene krofo bebre a nyina bebo ya metime bo nyina di ebe do nyina ase sebi constituency organizer na weekend when nyame bo a me de mani kire ho me youth organizer ba ko wo Sunday Kofi Benoit de papa ka baby no ya former policeman friend Alex papa Mr Brempo no ya former police a wewu ente nyina ko bo aye nuano ewo Sunday Kofi Benoit na ya pene krabia na mo kan say
akopele krabia papa
bi enti ya besre enuafo nyina adofo nyina meboa na this same weekend also I say end this week constitution mu a ya days be setting aside as anniversary days I celebrate Sunday na be June 4th enti ya na say June 4th ya be mark no wo hwe enti ya besre every third Saturday June 4th na be the be kire wo hwe so na ya ko observe that particular day nyame bo on the 10th of June and be 31 years since our NDC was birthed. At that time, na me shows na yenya brew as of why by election. I want to believe say also you be mark that 31 days since the party was birthed in Nanso. Enti koma no pay dey me buy me da was kese pa ozu platform oni menu obi ne Dominic nyina multimedia nyina minimum age me ache.
Yeah, papa
da nya ne o. Papa che koma nam sa
papa aye
ba yeah me can be fan count na ni nyina me me say like you rightly said in your introduction ya me do or CCO or prepare a drum pepper so say there one the capacity ya da dey share on sabet me so much as we no na other share on sa today be go so upon pie say na be boy home buy na the day ni so pese enya microphone no bet me anya ho ne dey aye no mo so be so mo ni na o ma sit na me so be subscribe be at me abam enti me da se me che obi
oka Asen North no na make the central regional chairman for the NDC and a constituency chairman I think munye very careful with more commodity to win votes for the Asen by election central regional chairman ne kase bi wa kekapa and I'm seeing whether the production team is able to play something. I even think it's not good for, but anyway, I'll talk about it. You know, your politics.
No,
your politics. No, I said you do common. No, I'm just saying. I said you do common. You articulate your party's belief and why Ghanaians should trust your party. You don't go attacking. You know, a whole political party and the people in it. Yeah, and yes, I'm correct here. Now, Kokachin and Abi say, now, Fno says, and your campaign. Come on, now, sir, could you not campaign because a more party said it?
Or be a better now, platform one can say, or Afro is a buffruit.
It is not to even encourage that.
I agree.
See,
but I want to say
it is not. Baby. Yes, if we am a benua do pencil, if a free quality pencil, if a MPP club, Samir Uku, I can say, Womafunu, you know, yes, it's uncommon. We are forgetting ourselves that people behind us now, say, what I say, I'm also picking all those states from us. But what your original chairman has said, and probably be an aminya homodia. And no man waki kano.
Today.
It's not good for camp. Me babe catch them with Kusi so say. I was there. The NPP, the NDC was doing dollar politics that the dollar no was through. Na Kumewu me na no to no koka. I suggested to the NDC that say the most year politics actually. Munim ekrobia ne hu so say if you have a central regional chairman of the NDC who is coming in abe hosting in call for. Now this is the message on also be carry a man crying for Nick Boswell. Message no. Me forward ni na ma o se be fem.
Na say ontime mbo na ehwefo enti na okan. Say how na okan. Me metie me nim na aka. Me nye sure say me na go tia.
Between me no.
What ya say? Say we are enti. O do the job.
Me ni mo aka ma enti de.
Yes sir.
O wa kwa bi. Friend de me nya no. Enti we no. Say me bre o. Friend me nya no. E go trouble de bia di.
Me bona baso na.
Ni ya wan friend me. Antenenka. Congratulations. Aso ba ma red card so da.
Congratulations to friends. Welcome. Because welcome to the League of Parliamentary Candidates.
Yes.
The Nyamiase.
Yeah.
Now what can say was you mimi ndo kwa yi.
Afraid of the afraid of the and no deputy majority do bet now a lot of issues. If I don't know, say a quite ambition, obetimi si ne boaka say or kasa for a reasonable percentage of members of parliament. Said yeah, some of the constituents they are ungrateful and unappreciative. Because majority of the members of parliament, omu devote to time and kasa. Emma omu constituents. In fact, majority of them to cross say dio money in his case. Akoji Suzuki brand new 30. Se monji made me check akoto ho. Now the mo amun titini kakra na me fa bom na omunyai. Can you believe that? So 30 cars not the coin. Nowhere to be accounted for. No, the people have come back again seeking for money. Every minute. Now obi timi if you MP ref a constituency was MP aba and the main coin bed. The also dangerous kwane framing up stories trying to lie.
Yeah.
Me mama operation. Me papa uye na yesi na yachia. Me baba ko me say nsakra and then kwara no cause you be shocked that akwala it ne mama timi chichire nsa. The baba gi 200 cedis. And that's where we're headed towards. And MPs do not untimi nka because you need to maintain power and get a certain stability. It's welcome now, because how do you go for 10 funerals within your constituency and pay the list of 200 or 500? It's in paying the somebody and also there are people within the constituency you need to satisfy.
Comrade Sebi, it is true, sir. I mago prayer Congo parliament, but politics no yashe mache, ejumana yache. This is not the first time I said be to me swaba. My coalition nationally, you have to me swaba my age, nyama we ma share bebre. Na me de bia me ka se Ghana ebetu mpan kwenima. Ade enya kese ne a change of mindset. Me call on me campaign. Ade ba kwa me cause na betimi 35 to say. Me kire mo se me pese me sa MP na me sorry na me fia dane asori dan. And as a hospital, because Obia, I don't want that thing. Obia nye ready. Say you na be juma. Self-help. Try me now pesi yenye. Ne internase ne mboa ye ho. Yes, what you see, me de enye 2 minutes ka na yepe o. Yepe 2 minutes say de be ye ade ama nsakrayaba. Enti yempe ne say bia be dane a standing block. But because I don't know how to put this so that it be well understood. Kamranya say, "Ope 2 minutes, 2 minutes keke." Now pray. Ye pe 2 minutes de be ade be boy. Ye pe 2 minutes e de sacré de ba. Me nkwamenti menye. Enti, I think okay, as I said, me because I'm age man achenti. Me family phone na me chira na ya. Say hospital bills there. say school base and ramp just 2 days ago be didn't send me a collabi or that pass. But me actually say ya trying a picture. Now can na so mobile phone obia. Sometimes you sit back and ask yourself say in the constituency if you have about 30,000 people.
Yeah.
No obia so pe mobile phone na. Obia be share obia pe phone na. Phone na bet me ato. Because I scanning na nka o de boa no a. Utimi de talk tricycle be the moment me ya adwuma me aboa. Wouldn't me talk and grow fertilizer be crana ya dakoye e
That is what Afenyo Mark was saying, that they don't want development. They want
individual issues.
Yes.
Oh, and I make say, obi to me if you no abisa bia, oh, baby mama, wa man 500 Ghana cedis. And do 2 weeks. No about biom. We need to say, you no kwase na consensus.
Exactly.
The does. And you know, we need to be able to engage. No, we need to be able to engage.
Your constituency here, some of them. There's a young guy in my constituency. I have a scholarship constituency, and or benefited from scholarship. So now took one. You call this World Bank program. So we're reporting on friend. Oh no, me saka check no. I mean share up. You mark the back. How the phone can hold? Where we? Who the phone can hold? Where we be? So, this thing is there. You get it all the time.
But it's not good because
a time.
They are developing a certain attitude at the expense of all of us.
And I'm ungratefulness. Yes, the issue about ungratefulness. From January last year, the committee meeting, there my allowance. I might take half. Now I'm there at all. My idea was that Christmas, per se, the constituency, the delegates, you know what I say. My CV from January to December to Christmas, I mean, ma will be say the 200 now. Christmas is the Fanta. You know they have this WhatsApp platform.
Yeah.
How about Jana? But when I'm escaping run or bet to buy Jana, things
that they don't know.
Yeah, that's the point.
Things they don't know.
So sometimes one say yeah, you overreact in a way. One required that small can you can never take it back. It's no ungratefulness, the hopper. But meaning he's been in the game for a long time. It's so I know my way. I'm sure. Say,
yeah, but the end product of
course, but
the end product of politicians.
But the difference is that I feel candidate. The demand is different.
The danger here is that Adom and then Mebunu Tisemuna Manyo Semu. It's very good for the country and healthy. Ya managing Mumuye. Na munye ahoden a okekani nimdia nya media dom no mo ntiba fa amwa Ghana na mo paba because of this stress na ede mamona who suffers loss Ghana na suffer go mudu do na area my shibedwem no well to do e ka mo nko a sebe am brasim ka no yire dembo tutu edi akwa aba tutu edi akwa aba de mo de kwa aba so if we don't push that mentality backwards very bad. It's very bad.
You know, this chop bar, you know, constituency will be about the trade, you know. It will do, hey, I don't know. One man getting one man,
Okay, so young clear from these two important percentages, how we all understand it and what's going to happen with Asin North. Honorable James Jachikwesin will lead the end Asin North constituency again. For the avoidance of doubt, Honorable Kwesin and his entire constituency executives are enjoying an extension of mandate for the next 4 years, granted by kind courtesy of the National Executive Committee of the NDC. Honorable Kwesin has been a victim of a hanged parliament, with the MPP doing everything possible to reduce the numbers of the NDC in parliament. Their desperation makes me fear for the lives of our members of parliament, especially in constituencies where the seats swing like Asin North. With the help of a well-known state agency, the MPP has given an opportunity to a stage coup, but the strong will of the people will defend and stop this coup. The only reason the MPP is so desperate to get a majority in parliament is to pass the Japa deal, the last promise left for President's family to own the natural resources of Ghana for a minimum of 25 years. I entreat all lovers of our democracy to support Honorable Kwesin and the NDC, both in cash and in kind, to regain that seat. This support must be challenged through the proper party structure to ensure efficient deployment. With the Kumauba election experience, we know the IMF cash will be up for spending in the Asin North constituency. That is why well-meaning Ghanaians must stand up to be counted in this campaign. Nanado has turned this nation upside down. It will take you and me to redirect it, the course of this nation. There can't be any better time than this. This is a rescue mission. We must do this together, light a candle, and keep your hopes alive, because there are better days ahead. And this is from Godwin Akongan. And from the national organizer of the NPP, he says, Jackie Kwesi shares the same fate as Adamu Sakandi, NDC's politics of double standards and emotional blackmail, pushing Kwesi to the pit. Rest in peace, Honorable Adamu Dramani Sakandi. Be wise, Honorable Jackie Kwesi. In July 2012, Ghanaians woke up to the shocking news that Mr. Adamu Dramani Sakandi, MPP MP for Boko Central, had been convicted and sentenced to jail for 2 years for falsely declaring under oath he had renounced his UK citizenship. The decision was celebrated by the NDC as unprecedented and a triumph of the rule of law. Today, the same NDC whose Attorney General prosecuted Adamu Sakandi is waging an emotional campaign in Asin North because the same courts have applied the law to remove Jackie Kwesi as MP. For the record, Mr. Kwesi had the opportunity to make his case at the High Court through the Supreme Court, and not for once did he convince any of the judges he was deserving of staying in Parliament. His criminal trial is underway, and he still has every opportunity to defend himself. The leadership of the NDC, as usual, has failed to take responsibility for their incompetence in undertaking requisite due diligence before the 2020 elections, and rather has diverted blame to the court that applied the law in equal measure in 2012 and 2023. In the end, Mr. Kwesi will be the only one to personally suffer criminal sanctions, despite the NDC's leadership and its legal team being responsible for the tardy handling of the legal issues. Our laws, like our justice system, are non-discriminatory and blind to parties or persons. Let the NDC blame their leaders for their indolence and spare residents of Asin North the emotional blackmail. This is from Nana B, the MPP national organizer. So what's all this about? Mamisha Honorable Collins. This is again an echo between these parties and the person Kwesi.
Well, sir, we said we did Nana B, you know. This is not the first time a member of parliament to be on the basis of, say, was swear under oath. So, or just a single citizenship. Naku PM say Okutadwa. And the Musa Kandi said the Wakano at one. And me a convicted. Me kai pass on the 7th of January, year to Speaker Abano. This issue about Kwesi Ebai. And I remember very clearly say the advice was that based on semi-Eban and on recusing, but the minority felt say once the court has not determined, rightly so. Which Martinasi, no what about. So say the Akobane said the seat has been declared vacant. And Tia men and say NDC person are presenting Ibium as a candidate. Well, it's in their right to do so. Because as we speak now, no, my understanding is the document is intact. But there's a criminal aspect, so me sure say it will start very soon. You know, any day any right. So Obetrain, I'm a criminal issue not ending. And I say they will go ahead to fill him as their candidate. Any day is their right. Now already a NDC, if I go
Akogan, that's their deputy national communications officer.
Yeah. Not Accra or Ochore,
or Nkran.
One guy not Ochore. Nana Bizu was saying.
But what's that supposed to mean?
Otenkan and Ochore.
Oh,
that's all.
No, meaning so on cry. Have asked whether baby
Uncle baby. Oh yeah, Uncle baby. Uncle Asin. Ontna a headquarters. Non-tro a letter. Why? On-tro Facebook. Uncle so. And I be wasing. Ofikumewu. From Tuesday, Wednesday. No wasing for you. Who the ontna ha? No on-tro a bro for 10. You're too bad we are. Mom may complain. They shouldn't come and complain. So who the course okumewu no. Ye nyina ekogu we kwa campaign we ni. Ye collect a result who omo collation center and this is for them.
Why?
Mesi who tina okumewu. Wa who collation center.
Why?
What Dr. Dufofi or when? Pictures
No, they collected. And I'm going to
collected.
No, they collected. Oh, did you tell my club catch when I raised the issue? Say, but in any case, they did their job. But what was the need for a losing party to put out figures?
Oh, my, putting out figures. Yeah. Oh, pictures from collecting set Robert.
So you believe the picture you saw from that?
Naga.
So,
yeah, MP for it. You have bread. You need bread, papa. No money in the ever be see was here. And go on tonight or more electoral letters. We are on the ground, boot on the ground. This is not a time for letters now. Where is it? The seat has been declared vacant. You need break. I say seat no, and you're in this voice too.
Dani.
It's a swing area. I would advise them so among grounds. No more shall see any campaign. I will grounds. Then mum you talk about you no more react. And mum memfa a complaints bia me penny agogan and metro letters be bring. It is boot on the ground. It's a mini idea experience or pa. Mestre uncle. Free uncle tra asin. No nya campaign. Na mum pesa bi ni me besa aba ya to aba na wie no. Na complain bia ba. Obia the technology intact. O coalition center system no da fe. Obia nya bi. Mom me janka say easy yes na e ba pepe no. Enti mini akoga obetima tena ha atcho the letters aka the person. Nana B is on the ground. The real organizer is on the ground.
Okay, so Fred,
come on.
This Asen North. In fact, NDC is still a mobile Joshua. And now Deputy Majority the Sabeka said my judgment number and son of my endorse or otherwise of the Chief Justice. No. Who say it's very, very irrelevant, you know. So yeah, quite saying North, and I'm kind of chairman. The media working to media show for now, but we are the one waiting. But the Queenie,
and I'm chairman there no. Me metie ni nyina.
Oh, there be. Hey, waiting. And
me waiting.
Will take us to the next level. I was say. And yes,
the
point I wanted to make
is spring.
I understand, but the point I wanted to make is say, I'm campaign message. I'm saying say you could read about no be complaining.
Oh, I don't.
Me see you read about no.
Oh, I guess you go read.
Me see you read about no. Nobody should complain. Or no central regional chairman of the NDC no. I sense it that declared vacant. The campaign message they say, "Me organize na front so."
Okay,
Hey, this you.
Ebe me onwa say obi bet na Ghana. I'll be taking NDC for granted about election issues. In the Fourth Republic, obi at Ghana him role in this year play. You can go and all elections are by to Ghana. The first elections in 1993, the second elections in 1996, 2000, and I'm going to win elections. 2004, this year, 2008, Motesuna Ebaye, 2012, you could win here, 2016, Beji, 2020, and Ebaye, and the NDC and Ebaye ajo when it comes to elections. And Yafi, and no Biba lessons, and now be per se. Political 101 on a better acquire young fast funny campaign about elections, about how to win elections, about how to craft campaign messages, strategy deployment. We've done it time with that number. And for somebody to assume say Yakon is strong who Kumewu na wako win elections. Kumewu is strong since 1993. You win election order. You have always won elections over there. And you saw what happened in your own stronghold. You saw, everybody saw what happened over there. At a point, namu buku to namu pacho, namu chentama, na raisi, ube mo bema kantika, no the town that born away, no dimreka, na wakɔ na yasa evanese sa konko no evanese imagine konko na yasa to dia ma no na me ferimpo na skei okoto aba amafo gina ho be tia first barrier na ya ma obi kona koto otu na to make a picture the bar na beje ka ho. This is what you did, and you are proud of yourself, your stronghold. You have won elections. Sure, Ghana for and sorry on election days and constant say to aba just for the sake of voting. Question is say sit back as a political party, as a government. Now bisa I say mamuna mo de Ghana for say apa no. Now when you aje won so win elections no eya ode. I want chira Ghana for team we. Ya kwan nyina na da ni portal si osusu ya kwan. Eduane kwan ba beto di aiden. Onkole ko school problems. Almost every facet of our society problems on kwa. And so abet na we dey say me win election win the koye. And now dey there. Election can help. One winning more seats. Yet your boy somehow. The Ghanaians are not voting for you just for the sake of voting. Cameraman agent here no pay. I'm so following the sound. Oh, dream baby obenya the breakfast. You are pay bishan about. What did he? Ejina no did. What na make e tie for no mo hwe na nyina no. Obi dwe bia no benya na aduane edi. Obi back to school. Ona akoye
bread and butter issues.
Bread and butter issues. That is why we go for elections. And this is preoccupy yanya by election. Now the whole of Ministry of Roads and Highways mobilizing machines. They go ho. Now you see ya kwan, na you see ya fisi lights, na you see ya way. Now we in na bet na say, yeah boy in some months where we need election now. Who are you fooling? You see, be like an answer that you can fool all the people some of the time.
Not
you can fool some people some of the time, but you can fool all the people all the time. And many person Ghana for ye nyina ni bebie. Say oti kumewu. Wa kwan here all these years. O former MP nature akasa sa obi anfi no. Owu ye ye nse nimpo no. After the machine abeto na ye kwan. Enti now say yes akwan na ma no ani age. No wagina no akoto abade amana. You are fooling yourself. And as what you no be about man rice konko mienu. Wa ma 10 cedis. Na enu nti owi ase problem nyina asa. No akoto no akoto abade amana. E wa gejeje. And I can say Osuna na bia got na enough. And here born some mom. You think that's what Ghanaians are looking for? And none of social media. I'm for that new campaign be portable campaigns. Me no when so there. Adani man host or makwanso. E because for border no mudua or lorry kwanso. These are the things Ghanaians are interested in. Not for a whole government to mobilize your machinery. Kumewu by election. Your stronghold. President spent number of days in that constituency. Vice President spent number of days in that constituency. Almost all the ministers and the chief of staff to everybody else. All of you, the MPs. Here, Comrade, and Quebec a way to just find out how much money, the taxpayers' money, I'm telling you. The number of VS and no craft fuel benny hotel I die if you can say ye. Come handbag the bread, the cocoa ye. Whiskey is suye. I can be burning in no discard to her. Come on, can you easy? And to the pair, as enough, Kofa Bank of Ghana governor, Nafa president, the brother, the finance minister, Namufa Ghana is going to go. Namu go just it no. Whatever you want to do it. Okay. You can fool some people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. And to the koso, na ya donko politics, adada politics. You think you are fooling Ghanaians? The day of reckoning will surely come.
Okay.
And to me, dear, I've heard the incoming President John Dramani Mahama. What can say? We need to look at this law of dual citizenship ni na eka onyi na iye. Kama ye nyina ete Ghana ha ni. Ni Ghana for FM ansa na matnya even documentation to become nationals of another country. Obi kotina breachre the amount of money they have to spend ansa na be citizen of another country. Now what is this law? Say me Ghana ni ama got in America and I say human school near county makoye sizo ho 9% be the MP e wa Ghana ha no you have to I cannot become an MP without a
CV. I've said that there should be a review.
We have to review the law. For me, that law doesn't make sense to me.
We have to review it.
That law doesn't make sense to me. We have to review it. And I'm happy to say, because I'm British for we, they are supporting this economy a lot.
Very relevant.
Se ka yo mo de ba Ghana hanyes kaketua. Na so nipa so akwa akosua bibi, wakonya nimdie bi. Na so person ba Ghana number boa, number sum. Actually the law even be said when we need primaries, when we need elections na ewie no. Say ka okay said when we need ewie nti ko na call is no decision when the citizenship in there. For me that will make sense to me. Because say only pan about primaries. So we need primaries and now we need primaries no. O say Uncle change nationality and citizenship. No better than Ghana ni prekope. Me we Ghana so kai mu there. Thank God you o.
Okay.
You understand? For me, we need to look at the law again. O fire nua penny e fe na jage question. O say Supreme Court are ruling. Mo declare vacant seat and say by elections. O you are going to prosecute him then criminal prosecution. Hwe etua onyon ko say etua dua ho. Ye de ye papa na every second no. Me I was not enthused about it. No, I will not even wait for my worst enemy to be put in jail. Let alone out of that frustration, no we woke up. I will never wait for anything like that for anybody. Police are near here no. Oti here na onya madam fo. Onya me nua prekope. Ento ye MPP ni nti onwu. Ana me yendis ni nti mi wu ana ne de. I want to gain from it. Papa ye no go tun se wan ma na de. Ni bon na ende se so Canada. So aba. Why pray krata say and can decision no audio or no or jai. Process now go to ni nyina wie ye. Oye kodum pepe so bi. Oba be so mo ne man. Anthony Bond is ever going to present no go.
Okay, so once you are a potential lawmaker, I respect your issues on the aspect of moral. But once the boy any or mind be the emra and the chichiri. So we don't have to paint a picture as if say exclusivity to Kwesi. No. What we can plead and say the John Dramani Mama say, yeah, when you in crime, sir. Dual citizenship challenge in free ho. They more my Ghana and she share as it stands now. Ne say unim say now tie now be fast office we wo hu ahokeka ne ani je so person be kanwa. Jai ABCD. Now say ko di trokra ka say sa nyoma ne megai na se for na unya ya.
But in this case no kwamra ntono die. Process no was initiated.
Nchiremu no ene ye pege mu ko Supreme Court nchiremu na ba no. Nchiremu na buy no ekirese sa na montu no ene
Supreme Court on the winner on the ruling.
But they saw that interpretation that gave them the rule.
But they've not given us the reasons for their interpretation. I'm fan back to now. I'm the aba.
They be manning no matter all. No susu say. Sa
enye me nti ase.
Am tell say me say what am want man kire wo adwene yi a. Ususu say sa na montu kwa ye hwe ni yi. If say dual citizenship nsem no ne kana ya kwa ye kana. Ne bonia uye ne say ne bonia wa ne de we. Ne bonia ne say intime me Canada ni. Na say na me say me Canada ni me be fia be boa afi de we abeto me. You know, and it's painful on that surface. It's very painful. Say intime pa me tim baby me ye ma de. Me ba be boa me kuro afi de me kuro. But na ye mra kuro man nyina no agiatum.
Me and I can say Supreme Court as we speak now.
So much say
ruling.
What say June by 7th June. Omo fa sa hye any mra.
Because come
on king kan.
Me ba o 70 ya na.
And no so lawyer for me tia say enye out of place. See e be hye na ebu atawi na aka to say akire no.
Even the 2012 verdict.
No abegigi.
But the point I'm making is sometimes either you want to appeal, you want to go for a review, or do whatever it is. Unya rule near how do you proceed?
But they're saying that it's not out of place.
But justice we are looking for. The place has been declared vacant. We are going for a by-election. So we are working within time. And the Supreme Court must be reminded of that.
Okay.
Nyame say camera. Hey, o my Ghana net me gitum say emra na edi adwuma o. Omra de echewa achew. Me ye adwuma o multimedia. Me fa na Adom TV. Na me so adwuma na me nya biom. Ma chokra atade abro. Seje me resign free a. Na me kwakwa adwuma wo ebia Asempa FM. Na me kodo no mo say making sure somebody resign for Adom Mpensenpensemu what me about abejuma. I'm so me the class that come on. Say my resign it. Ebia me only problem say who have the class na abra no. On reply mommy yes say you majatu.
There's a challenge there.
My counter.
But there's a challenge. You won't conform more. You
my counter.
won't conform some resignation letter command management of multimedia or management as a renegotiate matana. And also another option.
No, but as I'm saying, we need to look at the law very well. This is a human. Okay. We don't create laws to kill ourselves. We create laws to enhance our development.
Emotional arguments.
No, I'm not doing emotional.
They see me got them. Hey, yeah. Adom can't go there. They go by election.
But I just
we patch up. They be me catch us saying some problems. They've been in government before. Who's in JM? So the glasses.
No, he's advocating for it. Yeah.
No, a vice president. No one advocating. Well. No, a president.
That's a reef. And
to a vice in reef.
It's my mom yet to say that I am
see
what the MPP is trying to do. Any attempt by John Mahama is excellent to bring back an issue that can correct or change. Obviously, but that
is his record. I am the record. And the record near record.
So, dear, from so pan, why you say? Me was so meant to man.
And the minute I say, Obi Fiabocha Bob one of mine, Yachina. Yet, you two more fast who you know the only call by election.
But what did I say about it?
He said, oh, say, no, dear son,
making. At that time, when I assembly see and what was his reaction?
See, I go and look for my tape.
They went to a by election. And the entire NDC leadership echo by election to win the seats. And do be the so they will say, if you are Boje Naba, or some of them. Adom seconded one some of them. Only the one some of them. So this sudden change of position, because they say I affected the sequence in the day, we will not take it. That's the point I'm making.
So the principle is lacking
here.
The
principle is lacking. You cannot in one breath be happy about Asama to question here at 2 seconds and suddenly turn around and say yeah Asama ba apapa be one mine. You cannot do that because you won't vote at this particular moment. Or say kumewo no president you be ekugo. Any asenkwai don't be different. We will go there because we want to win that seat. Kumewo ejedi mama ho.
Yeah.
Wama.
Let's forgive him on the Kumawo bill because no, a deep net.
Forgive
me my boy.
All your top men were there.
Because of who he said
you even had members of parliament as polling agents.
I
feel what
you strong. I'm gonna make it that. Why were you so desperate? You were so desperate. To me now, my pen. I say, you go pa near Pacho.
Yeah.
2 minutes, 1 minute.
Yeah, anyway.
It's me 2 minutes from I'm in Pacho.
Oh, yeah, Papa, Papa.
It's not, you see. You take the letter for granted. That's the problem.
That is not the issue.
You take them for granted.
You went and knelt down because they didn't provide, they didn't do what you promised them.
Because the power is with them. And we will continue to beg them and plead with them.
That is not the point.
We will continue to do so.
That is not the point.
Most respect electorate. That's the point.
Propaganda.
And Timuka, 2 minutes, so Monsano, Mupa Motel, Asro,
that's not the point I'm making.
Do media Indian into Mr. Monfamayan. Maybe me come campaign, Mammy, upgrade as well, and Ganjoda. Or something Kukumutini Femo. And I'm there. It's what is wrong, say, a party, a political party like ours. Miyako election. Not elected that 2 minutes of Monsano. Yako power much also for 2 minutes.
They were begging for their sins. If
you do not respect them, say who respect them there.
Anka ubu electorate now. Anka ubeche right majority in the among on the streets.
Yeah.
Me would be busy na me draw here. Who mo the people Ghana so can be. Mami come asem. Mami come asem. Mpa cho mami come asem. Miso me sreo. Mami come asem. Mami come asem.
We will continue to plead with the electorate out of respect to them.
That is not true. That is not true. You only begging for your sins. You made promises to them. You couldn't fulfill the promises. So you knelt down begging.
Monetization. I say this kako.
3 barriers so. Odu first barrier. Pay amount dollar. So Odu second barrier. Ne amount. O cost to bar. Money dollar. How are you doing?
Let's forgive him.
Debbie.
Now or a deep neck.
Debbie.
Cause if me nyabo ne be forgive me.
Anyone man to
me and kasa bibi. Ti me ma stress sa brene na nia bere won ko.
Na me matuma bayi. Matuma. Kama me can say.
Monetization.
Right.
NDC.
Sure. Minua. Atim na ye kan edi agro. Me kan say MPP MP. Na every boku. O say everything. Adamu Sakande. Na de na nya mede. Because besi ne he. Enye am do emotional argument o. Nemba. Amoye nkola. I even at the time from Monte Ghana Constitution as Niyere, Nakasro Moa Bricheno. Ombe di hu ya say they will even hate the country Ghana. Say, ya never party America, Juma. Never pass what Jai Juma to about Ghana, have some name mine. On Combo Chrono, issue of citizenship in tea. Naya Jelino, no film woo. Come around. We don't make laws to kill ourselves. Laws are made for human beings to enhance our growth and development. And see, if I say I am Rabbi, years back, based on what was prevailing then, this democracy in the Fourth Republic, you are being brave. We need to be able to amend some of these laws.
That's true.
We need to amend some of these laws. Yet me can say, our constitution, the argument he's making is so President Mahama was a vice president, was a president, and one year, that be Nipa that's not to me be a reader. You can't finish everything. And addition at this new ideas are coming up. New ways of going about it are coming up. Sebi, Ocha Kwaya, sometimes when you take a back seat, and that is why I think, say, even our constitution, you need to look at it. So believe in President Craft after 2 terms new year, no bill for a bar. It should be possible if you come back again.
But that's why.
Because at that point, now you have tasted the power. I'm saying, Abema, Jala Nanado always say, we think Nanado on paper, constitution is the president. But you and I know, say, Nekos or my money. Ceremonially cannot hear all that's the truth. But you and I know it. But that's he doesn't know what is happening. That's why. That's why our position not better than cry. The reality.
That's why.
And Onya Kwenya no back to power Abima. Obey Nyama differently. That is why I have so much confidence in President Mahama's governance after 2025. Say at least he stated the power before. He's come to a position. Police need to can answer. Also, yeah, police no. No, nim say na young police for against how. Term no call pension. No drive car, no go shop work. I said new and I was hey, is it when I'm for some work kremu. Now he has been a president. Now he's come back home. Obviously, or come back. You watch President Mahama in 2025 and beyond. Okay. You watch him and watch his governance. And you because Siko fans will come and surround you. They want to tell you what you must hear. The reality of issues, when you're careful, so I am saying, say, if President Mahama today says, no, this law, we have to look at it. We have to applaud him. Man can he do everything at the same time? No. Because this particular law in our constitution is not a good law. It is not serving this country. It's not helping this country. Because the majority of our nationals live abroad. And they have dual citizenship. That's the reality. Majority of them are top-notch professionals. When you hear me call America recently, I met Ghanaians, engineers, they want to return home and come and serve. But we don't now engage them in the conversation. Sad dual citizenship issue and because basically, I film once and I'm at the way. Maybe me badge now ha. And see, I should me fan tonchune. Na me bana me call prime minister me win elections now. Me any day. What you say? Just America no can only be going as a visitor. Means me got now as a Bobby man. So we need to look at the law. Okay. Yeah, there you be no be wunti yeah man nya hwe biom. Na you say oh you be prosecute. Go and prosecute him. Go and throw him to jail. So, as no for e ma mu di show. Ono na aboa mu. Tem no be ye even MP ye. No one in Canada. Munyi na munim. Question adwuma ye the number of young people that constituency. And no na munya agide woni mu About on a 2020, go and check even the results. Question votes on ya, those who say President Mama dear. A doctor and
politician.
Anti Obia, Necrophone Ginny Tum. So bet me sumo
but take this
and Sam Raboni anti Hannah Betono. And before some desperation, Omunya, I can look at to someone. Mudisha, anti sorry. Namun Kaya,
Hano is so sensitive.
But I'm telling the truth.
No, train. There's also another family who have suffered same fate.
Absolutely.
Hold on.
Even them do not support this.
Hold on.
Absolutely.
Hold on.
At the time, we're not speaking like this.
Hold on. This morning, this is the whole can be but this is a very sensitive discussion.
Yes.
You cannot, at this point, when the laws of this country are still intact, there are no reviews, try to paint a picture as if the attempt on era for question is the doing or making of a group of people.
That's the point.
That's not it.
He sat here and said, I'm going to prosecute him.
I didn't say so.
The criminal,
yes, that's what I'm saying. He was saying it with him. Mudishe, as in of this year, you got
What is that? Wait the Wait the suffering.
I said no for this year. I was so
that's what make us say.
Nana no mind for Pamacho Jackra. Monsorio, Mudishe. What na moye
yentu Ghana mraningu.
That's what he's doing.
That's not healthy for us.
But that's what he's doing.
It's not healthy for us. The law is not good law. The law is very retrogressive.
Wadaruma.
This law we need to amend and throw it in the dustbin.
And some of their likes will come back and say,
yes,
Munya opportunity, even with the constitution review. There are certain tweaks. I just say,
you didn't do it.
We program where you say, no,
you don't get me.
We are human beings.
Yes. Me. Makosia de abo brado do na wa mono ne. Ama mono ne omo peja me wie mu. Ade na me man me ntimi man me boa me man. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I fully support what John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, now the flag bearer of your party.
The incoming president.
That one is you.
But you also know it.
That one is
but you also know it.
Nowhere.
Hey, and then the friend will buy you.
I'm saying. The track record is there for all to see.
The track record now is so about
2020. Some of the MPs in Suma Memo about Suma Mokai teacher for no. The old Madina Susu Teachers Award. Area Fenyo Markin. Area Duka.
Maybe December.
Also, very good. Teachers should be acknowledged and appreciated. In the African timetable, Teachers Award.
Only my dear Hammer about teachers, you might be a organer.
There you
let me say, it's school at 9 now.
You see, Bangalows.
Yes, near Bangalore again. Common room, staff common room.
I don't want you to design.
There are some structures at end of
staff common room.
My own says classroom blocker.
Not man produce could do not teach anything. Corridor also.
No, staff common room. No, for teacher for in a.
And see, Omu did the crowd. This is not
that's the point.
And to that, design. Okay,
so Maka era Susu Madina. When I mean, constitutional, so okay, teacher for. Era Fenyo Markin Teachers Award, so proud of you. Era Collins, Adomako December, also need the answer. Era Duka, and also a meme that way or Takwa. It's good. Monkai teachers.
Or teacher for the
Monkai teachers. It's also important. Mokai or more, no more coma at home.
Can I say, me call Akpafu? Akpafu Odome. Basic school.
Yeah.
Come on, free Akpafu Odome. Echo Howe. It's about 5-7 minutes drive. Who could do GSS from class 1, Form 1 to Form 3. Train teachers. Come now more 4 pay.
Train teachers 4.
Telling you. Who could primary school from class 1. I could do class 6. Train teachers almost 3.
Hey.
And the young boys now, niggas no more SS no more krum hono.
Volunteer. Oh.
What authority hire? Bell hire. And you know, a teacher for no. So I do hold this argument, say, then, I think we've not been fair to them.
Okay, so actually, and Alan Chemantebe Kokofa, already don't say Yakofa. era chairman thing watch it eja ko chairman thing ana adeni mo so akofa akota free akofa I understand kwabna Japan so akofa baumia akofa alanchimati be fa ne Kennedy Japan be fa no next week nti that's the race omo nyina ba be schedule ma omo baako
come on I feel we more 17
oh so for me 9
wow.
Yeah, 9.
Chamasero get na describe 17 in particular contest. What's that?
No, see nipa dun sun bi omo no blah blah blah.
Kan na me dem referee.
Na wa na ye wo no.
Me referee e bia na me aka so na ya attack kan. O kan say.
Me dem meet.
We got the same number. Na mo say Alhaji Baomi azo copy kibi.
Enrada.
Alhaji Baomi.
Na me na de man copy.
Also peden.
Oh, clearly the flag bearer of the party.
Alhaji Baomi. Ghana.
Of the MPP and then becomes a leader. The Ghana for tennis.
You see, camera, when I make no, you have bu any name de ever Magana for. Because I am papa said you boning de Magana for. Alhaji Baomi should not wait for anybody to advise him not to get close to MPP flag bearership race.
Not to get close.
Yes. He should have advised himself. Come on. Me do me age here. Baby, police no. Yes, she says he will do a chance and obey. And little experience be a one. There was no point. Me Alhaji Baomi, me be vice president be where we are. So I PhD in economics. At least for the first time, I know opportunity at home. Paper, textbook economics, any real practical economics. You should go back to the university and teach. You should go back to the university now and go and impart the practical economic theories. I need textbook name. Or yeah, new year after some 8 years, 10 years, he can rebrand himself a bit. Then they can surface.
After 10 years.
Yes.
Alhaji is now 50 say area college. Alhaji was 50 say 5 or not. Okay, sorry.
Honestly, me, that is advice I can remember.
Manima. Uncle Chiradi. Uncle Chiradi. Because when practical economics.
Practical economics. I say prior to 2016 elections, no. Not textbook as Sankana Noka. Textbook. No, organized lectures.
The actual book.
The actual with America in mind. The actual with UK in mind. The actual with Germany in mind. Comparing say, in Yamane Oho, no Tibet Ejma Hono, do not any ha. On the economy, say, all things being equal. Yahano, it has never been equal to never be equal. And to go far that real textbook structure. I had it to never be equal. And to the Baha, who apply a year. But you see now, I would say political party, who are two things. The name, the image, the brand of the institution called the political party. And the personality, now person leading that institution. The problem they have right now is say, or strong ARA, when you HIV. Osana yarea enye yi osunu wanya HIV osana yarea enye yi enti obi bi o de bet na osunu so bia no abone ntimi ntumi kan me ko nene. Honestly, if you ask me, among the 9 daho, there are 2 people me de me hu san komo nyankwanya o metinya e bia fa Ghana ho
bo cheja ko en Japan na
there be wajaja ko ne Canada Japan.
Okay. So
what I say, unfortunately, populist fashion, omunya.
Collins, we the be
Alhaji Baomi. Now we so church baby. Now we
No, Jan no kasa. No, Jan no kasa. Allow him.
Me say Baomi am go chira there maka body.
No, the man kasa. I do the kasa.
Me person me nko sorry.
Really afraid I go say osono nenya HIV.
Ana COVID.
Itiro. Osani yare enye yi. It is possible. Sasun na ne de kokume. So no yare odnam kumawu saa o yare.
Asa yare fo bi saa.
Yare fo bi saa, yare fo do to form no sorry. Hwete. Bram. Saa sono no a e be kwa asen. Hwete saa. Sram. Obo candidate so some say.
For now 8 or 9.
9. But nipa ba ko pe. And no as an opposition person or single out to chastise.
Because he's the vice president.
So,
my name Kasei.
Candidates no potential candidate. 9 years. But what Kasei na o my oyimu baako.
Because na vice president.
Oyimu baako and no chastise. You know why? O my there's a reason for that.
Omusu.
Yes. O me kasa. Me say there's a reason for that.
Alaji ba me.
Owie na ma so ko man. Osi onu pa de, onu NDC di no. Omo metima boa Ghana pa. Eye Boache Jako.
Kennedy Japan.
Dobra to ne house ko bobo. Me mi okotoko house. Una be me goalkeeper me fa shepo.
Man ka dey pick me so mo metima boa Ghana. Ana na me kan e.
So mo metima boa Ghana.
Man ka dey metima boa MVP mpo.
Una be me goalkeeper me fa shepo.
Me kan say.
Una be me goalkeeper fa shepo.
So me ka dey mo nto ma.
Oma hene. Say we did Dr. Baomi attempt say oh yeah textbook economics. Oma hene
did not attempt a reality. It's a reality.
Who can say tia for that day?
Oh, that says a reality.
Just let me speak.
Me can did not attempt.
Oh see.
Oh
see oh yeah textbook economics.
Yes.
Nanka who advice they say Owie vice president. Sanko school no kwachira. Yes sir.
Yeah, when you practical economics no.
2016. They say same.
And you know about Philip.
I want to control.
Control say.
You are not coming to parliament. Senior, oh man, they said same. The good people of Ghana decided otherwise. Yeah, because 2020. No. Oh, I tell you the crowd, broso. Omudina talk to me. See, no Medina tell sa.
What's about me?
You call 2020. What happened?
What's about
the decision by the Ghanaian people was contrary to your opinion about him. It's a net you say I will come.
To the movie.
And the best. They will differ.
Man, we
need. 2020 real.
Oh man, I'm with you.
Mumu jena secretary grasa coalition government my.
I na make am movie.
Just so they can.
I'm with you.
O man hene.
Father say special for speaker.
Yeah, we need one for the 3 seats.
O man hene. Me ba get o man hene ba.
Yeah, we need one for the 3 seats.
November 4th. MPP delegates. They be call Akoto Aba.
What's about me?
Your presidential candidate.
What's about me?
At the end of the day, the NDC force road on Obeba.
Okay.
What's about me?
I am fully for Dr. Baumia.
I'm disappointed.
I've never hidden my love for him.
But I'm disappointed.
I have never hidden my love for him. And
you can love him, but the man cannot perform.
Your disappointment has nothing to do with election.
Okay,
so before I go, my patrol. I said that Honorable Kennedy.
Okay.
Andra, he was in my constituency.
Okay.
I have another answer.
I campaign with my constituency. Knowing my relationship with him and where I support, I belong to. And some of Kafa me hono, o my
it was sweet.
It was sweet, but same voices libi. Or show a lot of maturity. And my respect for him has gone way above
the Japan. Honorable Collins, Honorable Agbonyo, the entire team, especially Jackson and the MP bar will be pictures. And then I see peace also. Bye bye.